Town and Country Planning Department has temporarily suspended the technical clearance granted to the residential development proposed near Bondvoll Lake, following objections raised by local residents and environmental activists over its potential impact on the water body. Deputy Town Planner Manguirish Vernekar has directed the project proponents to immediately cease all the construction-related activities until further instructions are issued. In his order addressed to Manoj Khandwal and 4 other proponents, Vernekar stated that since the project is located in the vicinity of Bondvoll Lake, the approval already granted requires a detailed re-examination. Concerns over the project have intensified over the past fortnight, with residents of Santa Cruz and activists questioning the feasibility of the development, which is situated at an elevated level overlooking Bondvoll Lake, a notified wetland. They have warned that the construction could adversely affect the lake's ecology and water retention capacity. Earlier this week, Santa Cruz MLA Rudolf Fernandes arranged a meeting between local resident and Chief Minister Pramod Sawant, during which the Chief Minister assured that the issue flagged by citizens would be reviewed. Subsequently, TCP Minister Vishwajit Rane also stepped in and announced that permissions granted to the project would be reconsidered after consultation with the Santa Cruz parish priest and concerned residents.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.